Hello, I'm Mr. EAGLESTONE. On this channel, we do DIY projects and tool reviews to upgrade your workshop and skills. Before we start, smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these videos coming. Today, we're checking out a budget-friendly tool that can be surprisingly useful in your everyday projects: the Parkside Rechargeable Work Light. Right out of the box, this light feels lightweight and compact, which makes it super easy to carry around. It's clearly designed for portability, whether you're working in your garage, fixing something at home, or even keeping it in your car for emergencies. The design is simple but practical. You've got a wide LED panel that gives a decent spread of light, perfect for close-up work like repairs, wiring, or small DIY projects. It's not a high-end floodlight, but for its price, it does the job. One of the biggest advantages here is the built-in rechargeable battery. No need for external batteries, no extra cost. Just charge it and you're ready to go. This makes it a great option for quick tasks, or as a backup light when you need something fast. Another strong point is how portable it is. You can literally throw this in a drawer, your toolbox, or even your emergency bag. It's lightweight, doesn't take space, and it's always ready when you need it. Now let's talk about performance. The brightness is decent, not crazy powerful, but enough for most basic tasks. It works really well for close-range lighting, especially on a workbench or tight spaces where you don't need extreme power. However, this is where we also hit one of the downsides. This light is not designed for large areas. If you're trying to light up a full garage or outdoor workspace, this won't be enough. It's more of a personal, task-focused light rather than a main work light. Another thing to keep in mind is battery life. Depending on the brightness level, it can last a decent amount of time, but it's not something you'd rely on for long, heavy-duty sessions. So let's break it down. Pros. It's very affordable. One of the cheapest options you can get. Super portable and lightweight. Rechargeable, so no extra batteries needed. Perfect for small jobs, quick fixes, and emergency use. Cons. Limited brightness compared to bigger work lights. Not suitable for large workspaces. Battery life is average, not for long professional use. Overall, this is a great value for money tool. It's not meant to replace your main lighting setup, but as a secondary light or emergency backup, it's actually very useful. If you're into DIY or just want something simple and reliable without spending a lot of money, this is definitely worth considering. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more content coming your way. See you in the next one.